What's up guys, my name is Peter and welcome into another music production video. Today we're gonna take a look at one of the techniques that I've been doing recently, and it turns out to be a really cool technique that works pretty nicely for improving your sound. Basically, any song section you make, you can improve it by making the same version of it but just a little bit better. So in this case we have a dubstep serum patches that I've been making, and every single time there's a new change, the sound is being improved. So this is what this is all about. You start with this. And then basically that's the section you're currently working on, and you're just duplicating it, also duplicating the MIDI or audio files, whatever the song section is, and you're making the sounds in this section just a little bit better, maybe 10%, maybe 20%, just a little bit better. So then at the end you end up with maybe the best sounds you can do, the best sounding song section, or maybe the best new sounds, because you get to the point that you really just have no idea how to improve this section further. So you may try doing a little bit new sounds. So I'm gonna show you the next section that I just copied, and I improved the sounds. So I've been using Serum. So that sounded a little bit better, right? So let's see the next one. And I went to the point that with one of the sounds, I didn't have much idea of how to improve it. So I made a new sound, and that's also cool because you make a new sound that then you improve in the next sections, but you have some variations. So if you need sounds that fit, you already have them. The first sound turned from this thing, then to this, and to this. Really cool sounds. So the next part sounds like this. So some of the sounds are completely different, but that's also good. But the thing is that I've been taking the same sounds. Yeah, as you can see, it does have similar, or some of the effects are the same in these two presets. So I actually turned this preset, and then from this to that, and then from this to that. Just tweaking one preset. So it ends. Did I play this one? No. Yeah, so I ended up making a lot of presets that some of them are ready to put into the pipe, some of them are not ready, so they have to be improved in this way. So I hope everything is easy to understand so far. Now let's just use an example, right? So the drums are only here to just have some reference, you know. And I'm gonna take this section, duplicate it, also duplicate these guys. So delete this, delete that. Also, I'm gonna recolor them so they look differently. I'm not gonna be like, holy shit, I did the same thing. This is what we have, and I'm gonna go into Serum and I'm gonna tweak the presets so it sounds better, and then we're gonna do the same thing with the next presets. So let's try FMing also, although it sounds pretty nice. It's pretty good. Let's try this. About this. Yeah, it gives some character to the sound. From here to this one. And let's now tweak this one. So I'm only tweaking Serum presets. I could add some effect racks, but because I'm just making presets, I don't want to add any external effects other than that, ones I already have. All right, okay, so let's find some cool, maybe digital, yeah, FM Okay, this one has a pretty nice bass. Let's do FMing again. Maybe let's do FM section this time. I'm gonna add some filter for some... Oh, as you can see, it already has some automations. Okay, what we can do is we can automate this bit, do like trigger, right? This is 1/8 triplets. So this... should create a click. Do this. Ooh. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Damn it, I lost the sound. Okay, I could tweak this sound endlessly. Oh, maybe change the speed. And let's change this one as well. It's pretty good. Yeah, so that's the basic idea. You duplicate, you make it sound better or make it sound different. Like the improvement in the sound section, like in the improvement in the song section will be there if you spend some time. Also, it's really cool to just take a sound and make it sound better. I don't know, there's something to it in this technique that makes me wanna just keep going and keep making the sounds better every single time. So I hope this was pretty easy to understand. Well, it is pretty easy. Just duplicate and make it sound better. We're gonna be definitely using this technique on the next videos. So I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. Have a nice day and see you in the next. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.